Hello students, in this video I'm gonna explain dilation, the last topic in chapter 5, which is 5-7 page 212. It's talking about dilation. What's the meaning of dilation? In this topic we will learn how to use dilation in the coordinate plane. A dilation is a transformation that changes the size of the figure but not its the shape. Pay attention. So it's just like zoom in and zoom out, and we have a scale factor describe how much the figure is enlarged or reduced. Let's see. The important section in this case, in this topic, is how to find the coordinate. For example, in this question, finding the similarity ratio. Given they give us two triangles are similar, the coordinate of D is missing. How to find it? We will say, pay attention. The important things in this topic, you have to start in the same direction. How to find D? I'm gonna say 2 out of 4, okay, is equals to what? Can I say D out of 3? No, you have to say 3 out of D, because as I told you, you have to start in the same direction. Okay, pay attention. So I'm gonna say 3 out of D. Then use cross product. 2D equals to 3 times 4, 12. Divide by 2, divide by 2. D equals to 6. But how you know it is 6, 0 or 0, 6? Okay. Always there's 2 points. As you can see, it's on x-axis. On x-axis always y equals to 0. So it is 6, 0. Otherwise, if you don't remember this, if you don't know it's on y-axis or it's on x-axis, just pay attention about point B, which is next to D. They wrote the order pair as 3 zeros. So the other one, it will be the number and 0. So 6, 0, it's correct. Then how to find the scale factor? For the scale factor, we will say 4 out of, to the greatest out of the smallest one. Scale factor. It will be 4 out of 2, which is equals to 2. Okay. Or you can say after you, when you find D, you can use this side, which is 6 out of 0. 6 is not correct. Pay attention. It is 6, 0. After this one, it will be 6 out of 3. Same thing. You get the same scale factor, which is equals to 2. Okay. Another example about this. The coordinate of C, it is missing. How to find it? We will say 6 out of 15, or you can say 15 out of 6. 6 out of 15 equals to, because I start with here, so I'm going to start with this triangle. Okay, it will be 10 out of C. Can I use simplify between 10 and 15? Between this one and this one? Pay attention. No, it's a very big mistake. Please, you cannot do this. But can I use simplify between 6 and 15? Yes. Divide by what? Divide by 3, which is equals to 2. Divide by 3, which is equals to 5. So the new proportion, it will be 2 out of 5 equals to 10 out of C. Use cross product. 2C equals to 50. Divide by 2, divide by 2. C equals to 25. But 25, 0 or 0, 25, as you can see, it's on x-axis, so it will be 25, 0. Or it is next to A. They wrote A as 10, 0. So even this one, it will be 25, 0. How to find the scale factor? For scale factor, we will say the greatest one out of the smallest, 15 out of 6. Okay. 15 out of 6, it will be, we use simplify, so it will be 5 out of 2. Okay, if you want to simplify more, how many 2 in 5? 2. How many remainder? 1. 1 out of 2. Okay. In this case, S is missing. Okay. Let's see how to solve it. We will say 4 out of 10 is equals to S out of negative 20. Pay attention about negative and positive, please. Okay, then use cross product. 4 times negative 20, it's negative 40, is equals to s times 10. Sorry, s times 10, it will be 10s. Or you can use simplify before you start. Okay, for example, divided by what? Divided by 2, it will be 2 out of 5. Okay, so it will be negative 40 out of, sorry, is equals to 5 times s, 5s. How to get rid of 5? Divide by 5. Divide by 5 is equals to negative 8. Okay, so it will be negative 8, 0 or 0, negative 8. As you can see, it is y-axis, so it will be 0, negative 8. For the scale factor, we will say 10 divided by 4. Okay, then for this example 9, how to solve it? Okay, again, you have to find the coordinate of x, then the scale factor. Okay, for x, how to find x? We will say negative 9 out of x, which is equals to negative 3 out of negative 8. Okay, negative, negative, they cancel each other or no? Yes, but negative within 9 stay the same, pay attention. So negative 9 times 8, it is negative 72 equals to 3 times x, 3x. How to get rid of 3 next to x? Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals to negative 24. It is negative 24, 0 or 0, negative 24. As you can see, it is on x-axis, or it is next to u, which is the number and 0. So even this one, it will be negative 24 and 0. Okay. About this question, how to find it? Again, k is missing. We will say k out of 16 is equals to 15, negative 15 out of negative 24. Negative, negative, again, they cancelled each other. So 24 times k, it will be 24k. 15 times 16, it's 240. Divide by 24, divide by 24, which is equals to 10. Okay, 24, it's 1, and there is 0, so it is 10. But it is 10, 0 or 0, 10, as you can see. It's on y-axis, so it will be 0, 10. Okay, and their spiral review. When you solve it, you get 2, 1, c out of 4. Okay, c out of 4 equals to negative 6 out of negative 10. Again, negative, negative, they cancel each other. You use cross product, 10c, or you can use simplify. Okay, c is equals to 2.4 when you solve it, but it's 0.2.4 or 2.4 and 0. Of course, it's on y-axis, so x equals to 0. A is the correct answer. Even this one, when you multiply them, it will be 120. In this topic, we have distance and midpoint. Pay attention, which is very important. We explain it in another video, and after 3.6, you can check my YouTube channel. Okay, and then we have question like this in this topic. For example, they say what? If CMD, okay, and DMA are two similar triangles, they give us 4 parentheses. Okay, like this. They give us 4 parentheses. And they ask for what's the coordinate of B. Let's see how to find it. As you can see, this one, it's the origin point. This one, it's what? It's y-axis. This one, it's on y-axis too, because x is 0. That's why you know it's on y-axis. This one, it's x-axis. Okay, so now I have two y-axis with only one x-axis. The other one directly it will be x-axis because there is always two y-axis and two x-axis. Okay, by using y-axis I'm gonna find the scale factor, which is 15 out of 6 is equals to 5 out of 2. Okay, then multiply 5 out of 2 by the coordinate that I have on x-axis, multiply them. 5 out of 2 times 10. Okay, can I use simplify between 2 and 10? Yes, for 10 it will be 2. 2 times 5, sorry. Yalla. It will be 5, not 2. 5 times 5 equals to 25. Okay? So it's 25, 0 or 0, 25. As I told you, there is two y-axis. The one that's missing, it's on x-axis. So it will be 25, 0. Okay? When you solve this one, negative 6, 0, we did it. It's in spiral review. Even this one, it's question 9. The other one, again, this is x-axis. Y-axis, y-axis. Find the scale factor, which is 4 out of 2 is equals to 2. Then multiply with the number that you have on x-axis. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Let's see which one is 6, 0. Here is it. C is correct answer. Okay. And all the questions is like the same. Thank you for watching.